Please, hug Elmo. Give him a hug. Oh. Oh. Give him a hug. Ah. Why are you kissing his bottom? Baba. Say mommy. Say mommy. Are you going to school today?
No.
No. Are you going to stay with your mommy?
No.
No. Are you going to get sweets?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say Sheila. Call Daddy.
Daddy.
Say leave me alone.
No.
Put your hands up. Say please.
Me.
Please. Who's teaching you that at school? Say please.
Me.
Please. What's your name?
Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. What's your name?
Ma.
Me. Mike? What's your name?
Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. What's your name?
Me.
Me. Listen to me.
Me.
Say please.
Me.
Please. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Kiss first. Big baby. Look at Mike. Where's he gone? He's gone. Look at Mike. Where's he gone?